What kind of module is this one that you can get from AliExpress for $1? Take a look. What do you think? What is it? What it says in the title. 15 watts, Type-C, wireless charging module transmitter, PCBA, circuit board, Coil standard, wireless charging for iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi. Yes, it's a wireless charger transmitter board that you can get from AliExpress for cheap. So I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles, but it's good that came in this plastic box. Oh, I can see bubbles inside this case. Oh, let's unwrap it, sorry. Oh, I need to pop them, all of them. And I'm done. Very satisfying. Thank you, Mr. Bubbles. Okay, what we have here is some kind of instruction manual. I don't need it. The case is lovely, transparent. And what we have here now. What does it say? The diameter of the coil is 5 centimeters and the board is 2.5 by 2.5. Operating frequency 100 to 200 kilohertz. Sensing distance 8 millimeters. Alright. Efficiency up to 75 to 85%. Support maximum 15 watts power. Output wireless charging power 15, 10, 7.5, 5 watts automatic identification. Output current can be 5 volts, 9 volts. Alright. Input voltage can be 5 volts or 9 volts and also 12 volts. We're gonna try that. Built in MCU 12 bits high precision analog digital converter ADC. So it's a wireless charger printed circuit board that obviously it works with Type-C connector, and in description it says that can be powered with 5 volts, 9 volts or 12 volts. And I need to take my microscope. Let's see what does it says on the integrated chip. Oh, they wipe out the chip. There is no numbers or letters. Alright. So the other integrated chips are 4822 and this one is 4803, and I think that these both chips are for triggering the power charger for giving different voltages. Alright. So powering in 3, 2, 1. We have blue and red LED just the red one. The blue one is for indicating that is connected with the receiver, and we're gonna check does it work with my custom made wireless DeLorean Hot Wheel toy. Whoa! And take a look, it's flashing, and you will ask why is only flashing, why the lights are not turned on all the time. Because this one is just the coils, and on the coils are hooked up some LEDs. Let me grab this one, which is a coil with couple of turns of, and on ends of that coil are soldered the LEDs. And take a look, it's the same. It's picking up the wireless transmitted energy, and it start working maybe from, I don't know, with 3 centimeters. Alright. Also I have this one, which is a tiny LED. It's not tiny, it's a 8mm LED, and around that LED I placed a coil, a tiny coil, and the ends of the coil are soldered on the positive and negative legs of the LED. And take a look. Also it's working. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna try my smartphone. Oh, take a look what happened. I broke the wire. Using my Type-C power meter, I'm gonna plug it into the wireless board. And take a look, the wireless charger, oh, it's going back to 5 volts. But first it triggered at 8, and now it's back on 5 volts. I'm gonna try it on my phone. And yes, whoa, did you hear that? We have the blue light. And right now I'm charging my phone with 600 milliamperes at 5 volts. And take a look now. Now it's triggered at 9 volts. And I'm charging the phone with 8 watts. Ooh, beautiful. Maybe you need to find the best place for, because I do not have a magnet ring right now. I'm holding with my hands the coil, the right spot for charging at maximum watts. I'm gonna remove it. The red light, turn it on, meaning that it's not charging. Let's try it again. 5 volts first, and then will be triggered to 9 volts. Waiting, yes, 9 volts, 8 watts. It's working fine. And we have that fade out and fade in effect on the blue LED, meaning that it's charging. Beautiful, I like it. It's simple circuit, and you can do your own wireless charger using this board that you can get from AliExpress. And by the way, all the links will be in description below, so you can check it. And I need to give a shout out to my latest coffee supporter, which is Adrian. And Adrian sent me so far a couple of times a coffee. Thank you, sir, for doing that. And also he wrote, for supporting your channel, I like it very much. Thank you, Adrian, for supporting me all the way. Also, I need to mention the top supporters to see the leaderboard, and the first place is going to Mike N. Thank you, sir, for being first in the supporters. The second place, or the silver, is AB Skater. The third place is King Green. Thank you, sir, for supporting my channel and supporting my work. There it is, Daryl, Jabot, David from Sunny Penzance, Jabot, Dictus, Hanover, and Show Sonentag. All of you have supported my channel, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you again. So for around $1, maybe $2 or $3, you can get this DIY wireless charger, 15 watts maximum, and you can do your own wireless charger. Maybe it will be a power bank, I don't know, but it's working fine. And also I made this epoxy resin Lego shape gadget that also is working on the wireless energy. And take a look, he's flashing and it's looking cool. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!